Se on Sketti ja Martin Teeri.
Yeah, today it's 9th of September 2021. We couldn't get the lights on here downstairs. Strange. Because this is something, of course. This is on Laajavuorenkuja. No, what's it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Vägbergsgränden one staircase. Here in Martinlaakso, Mortensdal. Länsi Vantaa Västra, Vantaa Western Vantaa. Here the Helsinki has the most recent museum in Finland. And of course, we're gonna check the construction later, but these elevators here, all 10 were replaced in early 1998.
Yeah.
Only with one of these pictures. Serial number is 68988. It will turn 25 years old in 2023 when it will be inspected again. And here it's working without the arrows.
Yeah.
That's still very nice.
Yeah.
It's still working here now. In sticky sheet it doesn't work at all.
Yeah.
It could have been with this at least. Yeah. Strange that it doesn't work there. Because I think it must have been worked before.
Yeah.
It must have been working before, huh? Maybe it was without the arrows.
Yeah.
Even that is a lot better than nothing.
No, of course. Spekteettaa kiva inspektio, meidän teetpaikka on.
And of course these ones have the Kone walls here.
Yeah.
That's what makes them even more interesting.
Yeah.
Kone walls and novel elements, which we have seen this combination in several buildings before, but they're still very, very rare.
Yeah.
We haven't really seen the other way around, like novel walls and Kone buttons.
Yeah.
That would also be extraordinary, but we haven't found it yet. Of course we have the novel, but that is not Kone. No, I mean novel VR, but it's not the same thing. Not exactly the same thing as Kone.
Yeah.
Or one place is Kone buttons almost. They have the shells and it's pillar, but still not exactly. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's